In today's video, we're going to talk about credit cards to build credit. Specifically, these are 3 secured credit cards that you can use to build up your credit score. Hi everyone, my name is Helen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about credit cards to build up your credit, and specifically these are 3 secured credit cards that can help you build your credit up when you have a low credit score or when you have yet to build up any credit. So let's jump right into it. The first credit card that I would recommend for anyone who's trying to build up their credit is the US Bank Cash Plus secured credit card. Now, this credit card is a great option for anyone who's trying to build credit because it has an astonishing 5% cash back on your first $2,000 worth of purchases. That's a great option for a secured card because many secured cards do not offer any cash back. So it does offer a cashback system, which is very unique to this card. The one thing that you have to keep in mind with this particular credit card is that it does have a deposit required for anyone who wants to take the card, and your limit is going to be the deposit amount. So if you put down, let's say $200 as a deposit, your limit starts out at $200. That's a caveat that you need to keep in mind with any secured card, including this one. The other benefit of the US Bank Cash Plus secured Visa card is that it does offer a 1% cash back on all purchases and a 3% cash back on certain chosen categories. So besides the 5% cash back that you will get on 2 categories that you choose, you're getting cash back on all of your other purchases as well. The one thing you do need to keep in mind with this card is that it does have no foreign transaction fees. So if you are thinking of traveling abroad, it's a good choice to help you keep those transaction fees and extra costs down. The additional benefit of the US Bank credit card is that it allows you to pick your payment date. So if you have a specific day that you feel the most comfortable making your payments, you can choose that date to make your payments. That's a particular benefit for someone who's trying to build up their credit because you're no longer dealing with when the bank decides to have you pay. Instead, you're choosing a date that works around your payments, your schedule, and whenever you are getting paid from your job. So you no longer have to worry about trying to figure out how to fit it into your budget when it's far out from when you get paid. Instead, you can set up your payment date for right after you've received your paycheck. That's very helpful if you're trying to rebuild credit or if you're trying to build up your credit score. If you liked today's video and you're getting some value out of it, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe and leave a comment below telling me that you've subscribed, I will respond back to you. The second credit card that I would recommend for anyone who's trying to rebuild or build up their credit score is Chime. Now, Chime is particularly helpful if you have a bad credit score or you have no credit at all, because it does not require a credit check. It has no annual fees. So it's very useful for anyone who's trying to build up their credit. The one thing you do have to keep in mind with Chime is that this particular credit card will only give you the amount that you deposit and no higher limits. You cannot later ask them to increase your limit. It's only whatever you have deposited. You can deposit more if you feel like it's not enough, and that can go for a while if you want to increase the credit limit, but you are not able to increase the credit limit without increasing the deposit amount. Now, one thing with Chime is that it doesn't really have a lot of crossover into a higher limit, so that does limit its ability to help if you're thinking of moving up over time. However, it's great for getting you started because Chime reports to all 3 of the credit bureaus, and it's very low fee, low transaction costs. Everything is very straightforward with this credit card. So it's a good option if you're trying to rebuild or build up your credit. It's a good first step. My third choice for a credit card to build up your credit score is the Capital One secured card. This is the Platinum secured card. It is a great choice for anyone who is trying to rebuild their credit or build up their credit. The one benefit that comes with the Capital One Platinum card is that it does not require a credit check and it has a very low deposit. You only need to deposit $49 or up to $200 to get a credit line. Now, initially, the credit line will be the amount that you deposited, or maybe up to $200 at the most, even if you deposit a little bit lower. But Capital One has a very good benefit when it comes to building up your credit score. After the first 6 months with this credit card, they will automatically review your standing. And if you have made your payments on time, if you've had no problems with the credit card over the course of 6 months, they will consider increasing your credit limit, even though you don't have to put any further deposits. That is great for anyone who's trying to rebuild or build up their credit score, because you can increase the limit over time and it's very easy to move up over time as your credit improves. It also helps you build up your credit score because they're reporting to the credit bureaus as well. The Capital One card also has no foreign transaction fees, so it's a good choice if you're thinking of traveling abroad. The one thing that you do need to keep in mind with the Capital One card is that it doesn't have any rewards. So even though it is a secured card and you can see it improving over time, your credit limit can increase, you can't expect any rewards back from this particular card. It will help build up your credit score, however, so you can potentially get a different rewards credit card in the future if that's something that you feel is important. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.